The arrival and first discovery. The arrival of the wanderer. The story of 3 Atlas begins not with sound, but in profound, endless silence. A silence so vast, so deep, it feels as though the universe itself has paused, holding its breath, waiting. From the cold, black void between distant stars, it emerged. The third interstellar object ever detected by human eyes. It drifts. It dances. Moving through the immense, shadowed ocean of our solar system, unseen and untamed. Its motion is graceful, unpredictable, hauntingly beautiful. Each turn, each glimmer of light reflecting from its icy, fractured surface is like a whisper from the unknown. A whisper that reminds us that the cosmos still harbors secrets far beyond our understanding. When the James Webb Space Telescope turned its golden mirrors toward this visitor, astronomers expected data. Perhaps numbers. Perhaps patterns. Precise measurements. Calculations that could fit neatly into human knowledge. What they found instead was something far more profound. The images revealed a cascade of mystery, a storm of movement and color that defied expectation. Their instruments, designed for ultimate precision, were overwhelmed by questions no one had dared to ask before. For the first time, humanity observed a traveler not bound to our sun. A wanderer from another birthplace, drifting through our planetary neighborhood like a shadow carried on beams of starlight. Before 3 Atlas, there were only 2 such messengers. The first, Oumuamua, discovered in 2017, was a mysterious elongated shard drifting from the abyss between stars. It moved with strange, unpredictable accelerations, as if guided by invisible hands. Then it vanished into the darkness, leaving behind a trail of questions still echoing through science, haunting our curiosity. The second, comet Borisov, discovered in 2019, appeared at first like a familiar comet with its bright, icy tail glowing in sunlight. Yet its chemistry told a story utterly alien. Born in a planetary nursery unlike our own, its molecules carried the fingerprint of a distant star, a signature no telescope had ever seen before. And now comes 3 Atlas. A wanderer stranger than any before it. More restless. Infinitely more puzzling. Through the unmatched infrared eyes of the James Webb Space Telescope, astronomers focused on this drifting enigma. They hoped to decode its origin, its nature, perhaps even its purpose. Webb's mission was clear: study the dusty tail, measure its speed, analyze its structure, uncover the secrets buried deep within its icy core. But the telescope revealed something far beyond expectation. For the first time in human history, an interstellar body appeared to behave as though it were alive. Its movements shifted in sudden bursts. Slow pulses. Rhythms that gravity alone could not explain. Unlike comets born in our solar system, which trace elegant, predictable arcs, 3 Atlas twisted and turned in ways that defied logic. It slowed, then surged forward. At times, it even reversed its path, as though resisting the ancient laws that govern the heavens. Infrared imaging revealed faint plumes of gas, streaks of exotic ice erupting from its fractured surface. Instead of forming a smooth, curved tail like ordinary comets, its emissions splintered into jagged, chaotic bursts. Veins of light and matter veered wildly in every direction. Each eruption coincided with a sudden shift in motion, as if the object pulsed with a hidden rhythm. A heartbeat faintly. The mystery, chemistry, and cosmic message. The chemistry of 3 Atlas deepened the enigma. Webb detected rare carbon compounds, microscopic silicate grains, and exotic frozen gases never before seen in our solar system. Each molecule told a story of a birthplace far from our sun, perhaps in the cold, dark nurseries of a distant arm of the Milky Way. 3 Atlas was not one of us. It was a messenger from another world. A frozen memory of a place humanity has never known. Yet some of its movements defied all explanation. Shifts in trajectory, no venting gas, no solar radiation, no gravity, could account for them. What unseen forces propelled it across the cosmic void? Most astronomers suggested natural causes, trapped pressure venting through cracks, ice bursting from fractures, hidden jets of gas escaping from shadowed caverns. Yet others whispered of something deeper. Patterns too deliberate, too rhythmic. As if the object responded to the universe around it, a conscious participant in the dance of the cosmos. 3 Atlas became more than a visitor. It became a teacher. A moving laboratory in the infinite dark. Every plume of gas, every flash of light, was a line in a cosmic textbook. Perhaps it was not just a comet. Perhaps it was a courier, scattering molecules across the galaxy, delivering the ingredients of life to planets not yet born. Each eruption was a chemical message, a seed hurled into the void. This echoes the ancient idea of panspermia. Life's beginnings are not confined to a single planet. They are shared across the cosmos. If travelers like 3 Atlas preserve molecules for millions of years, and then release them in bursts of energy, perhaps the seeds of life are already wandering between suns, silently fertilizing worlds yet to form. In this light, 3 Atlas becomes a messenger of possibility. A whisper that life may be the galaxy's oldest inheritance. Its story is mechanical, physical, philosophical. For centuries, comets were thought simple. Obeying gravity, following sunlight. Then 3 Atlas arrived and shattered that certainty. Its unpredictable accelerations hint at hidden complexity, chambers of trapped gases, crystalline structures storing ancient energy, fractures opening and closing like valves in motion. Interstellar comets are not fossils. They're engines alive with shifting power. The implications for humanity are profound. A spacecraft attempting to meet it would face challenges no engineer has imagined. A comet that twists, spins, reverses direction cannot be approached slowly. Signals would arrive too late. Its path would already have changed. Future explorers will need probes that think for themselves. Autonomous machines capable of reflex, intuition, survival. Machines that can navigate the heartbeat of the unknown. The universe is not calm. Not tidy. Not predictable. Its chemistry shows that not all worlds are born alike. Some form in storms of radiation. Some crystallize into shapes unseen. Some carry the fingerprints of stars long dead. By studying this lone traveler, we glimpse the infinite diversity of worlds. 3 Atlas becomes a mirror to the cosmos, reflecting our smallness and our insatiable hunger to understand the endless. It is not merely a comet. It is a story in motion, written in dust, ice, and ancient fire. A story of distant worlds we may never touch. A story whispering that life's potential is universal. Even the loneliest fragments of rock and ice can shape the destiny of worlds yet to come. And as it fades from our solar system, disappearing into the great dark, it leaves a quiet truth. Even in the silence between stars, there is chemistry. There is motion. There is purpose. And there are stories. Stories waiting to be discovered.